Okay, everybody, this is the second part of my painted vinyl chair, and what I'm doing is I'm just giving it a good sanding, and you're going to want to take your time on this and see how it's getting kind of shiny there. If you just run your hand across it and sand it until it gets that texture and it just gets really smooth. So you're going to put 2 generous coats on it, and then you're going to just keep sanding. And as you can see, you can tell up here where I've sanded a lot and where I haven't. So I've just gone over it once, and I'm going to go over it again until I get it super smooth. And then I'm going to do the final step, which is put a coat of wax on it. And then I've got something really cool that I'm going to do right here. All right, so stay tuned.